What's up, everybody?
I'm Delico Paz.
And I am Ron Justin. And together we are Grammar Genius Hub. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. So today, we are going to tackle about verb tenses. So, what are verb tenses? Verb tenses are grammatical categories that indicates the time of an action or state described by the verb. Verb tenses also helps convey when something happens, past, present, or future, and sometimes the duration of completeness of an action. So, here are some examples of verb tenses errors. Hey, what are you going to do this Friday? We have no classes. The sentence, I will watch TV, is incorrect because it combines two different tenses. Will is used to form the future tense. So the correct sentence for this is I will watch TV. Hey, why didn't you answer my phone calls?
I was eating.
The sentence, I was eating when the phone rang is incorrect because of a tense agreement issue. The correct tense for ring should match the past continuous tense used in the sentence. So the correct form of sentence should be, I was eating when the phone rang. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
I heard you have a project yesterday.
Yes,
So how did the project go?
it went well. We discussed the project and decided on the.
In this conversation, the mistake is decided on the next step. It is a past tense, so we should use decided. So, the correct sentence should be, we discussed the project and decided on the next step. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
How are you?
I'm good.
Have you seen the movie last night?
Yes, I seen it last night.
And what do you think of the movie?
I thought.
In the sentence, I seen it last night, the verb seen is incorrect because it is the past participle form which is used in auxiliary verb like had or had. So, for example, I have seen it. So, the correct sentence should be I saw it last night. Hey, good evening.
Good evening.
I have noticed that you have a report.
Yes,
So, have you finished your report?
not yet. I will finish it by tomorrow.
Okay, let me know when you have finished it.
Yes.
The phrase, I will finish it by tomorrow is incorrect because finish is the past tense form of the verb to finish. So, it should be in its base form after will. The correct phrase should be, I will finish it by tomorrow.